Are you ready to boost your gaming experience and keep your graphics card running at its best? Let's dive into updating your Nvidia drivers, which is crucial for peak performance, and the latest features. You can update them using two main methods: Nvidia GeForce Experience or manual download. First, we'll cover the GeForce Experience method, which is generally the easier option. Open the GeForce Experience software. If you don't have it, you can download it from the Nvidia website. Inside, locate the Drivers tab. Usually the first or near the top, click this tab. You'll see information about your current driver version and, if a new one is available, if an updated driver is found, click Download. The driver will begin downloading. This might take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, you need to install this driver. Click Express Installation. This method will automatically configure the proper settings for you based on your system. Installation takes a couple of minutes. The screen might flicker or momentarily go blank, which is completely normal. When prompted, you may need to restart your computer. Once your computer is back up, the drivers will be installed. Now, let's explore the manual method. Go to the Nvidia website and find the drivers section. Select your graphics card model and operating system. Carefully enter your product information to locate the correct drivers. Next, click Search. The website will show the latest driver available for your system. Click Download, which will download the driver to your computer. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to begin the installation. The installation process is similar to the GeForce Experience method, which also allows for an express installation. You still might experience screen flickering and will need to restart. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your Nvidia drivers. This refresh ensures the best performance, compatibility, and bug fixes, so get back in the game.